Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today my plan is to build a garden arbor, but the problem is I have never built something structural before. So today we need to learn how to do hard things. Also, I bought new pants today and they have not one, not two, but like 6 freaking pockets. It's awesome. These are my arbor plans. This is what we're building today. Arbor and potentially also this. I have all of this wood that I have salvaged. That's what I'm doing. The problem is that this all looks super Final Destination out here and I need to clean it because it's crazy. I'm reading from my book. I think I want to make the roof first, which will be like 1/2 meter tall, I think, and 1150 mils long. So I think this is a good one. These need a 45 cut at each end. Beep, beep. I hate math. You should see the way I wire electricity if you think this is chaotic. Yay, it did work. Oh my god, she's amazing. Am I stupid? I've done something and it wasn't right. These pieces needed to be twice as long, I think. Maybe more than twice as long. And I'm mad, but I can still use these for brackets. So let's pretend we cut brackets there. We just need to fix it. I'm gonna make the sides first, not the roof. We're changing strategy because I didn't think this through. After significantly messing up my roof and attempting to build something that was essentially a school for ants, I used the rather large and wrinkly brain of my boyfriend to channel Pythagoras and provide me with the correct angles and measurements for my roof based on the height of the sides that I had built. Well, I built this. I need your help counter-thinking properly because my little spaghetti arms don't do it. So I got this and I was just marking some brackets to put into it.
Oh, so is this the side of it?
Yeah, this is the side. So there'll be 2 of these, and then there'll be a steeple top joining it in the center. Gotcha. Yeah. And then I'll do lattice for the roses to grow into and stuff. So I started cutting these, and then I was like, oh my god, this is the tiniest steeple roof ever.
Oh, I thought that was to put like here.
It is, but I initially cut them for the roof, and then I was like, wait, what am I making? A house for ants?
If you don't want to get too tall, then pick a height.
Yeah,
and
then make an angle.
And then get
it'll be like cut at this angle
with
it for this length to get this height. For this height.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I was saying.
All I remember in Pythagoras theorem class was making fucking sundial shadows or some shit, measuring a flagpole.
And then what we need the short one, which is how much taller it is. So this is currently 6. This is currently 235, which is pretty tall.
So we don't really want it to go above 2.5.
You don't want to go 2.5?
So it's like another 200
do you
centimeters.
Want to put it at 2.5?
Yeah.
Okay, so then that means the tip, the very top, will be 2.5, where the 2 flat bits, you screw them in. Is this
25 or is this 250?
2.5 meters.
Okay.
Yeah? So how much overhang do you want? You want about 500, about
50. About like 50 mil? Mil? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. 500. That sounds like a lot. That sounds like 1/2 meter. Is that 1/2 meter? Am I stupid?
That's what you want to cut.
What?
That's going to be a very...
I mean, how do we go a little deeper? But like it's...
You shorten this. So let's say you buried this in the ground, for example.
Yeah, it will be. It'll be buried like...
That's very important.
Oh.
That's very important. Oh my god, all these calculations are wrong.
How much
are you putting in the ground?
I was estimating like 400.
deep.
400 deep. Okay,
Yeah.
let's remeasure. Because all of this is important.
Once I had miraculously managed to construct the roof, I found some outdoor paint in a cupboard in our backyard and started painting the roof. Now that I have all the pieces of the puzzle, I can start putting them together, but not today, my friends. Why, you may ask? This ear is my root that I need to cut out, and you can see I'm halfway through it, and I've gotten this one out, but they're huge.